Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to add a mobile information bar on SquareSpace websites. First, log into your SquareSpace dashboard. From here, we will go to Pages and Website Tools. In Website Tools, we will go to Mobile Information Bar. From here, we can disable or enable a light mode or a dark mode. So using our mobile view here, we can see for a light bar, if we wanted to show our email, show our phone number and our business hours, we can do that here. And that will show up on our mobile site. I do have a video on how to update this business information, and I'll add it as a card above. Once you have your mobile information bar set, you can do light or dark mode, and you will be able to see, there we go, here we are. So here's our dark mode. We have our business hours open here. If I wanted to do a light, you can see the light here or the dark, and it will have that information there for you. So once you choose your light or dark and you have your business information, then you want to click Save. So that is how to add a mobile info bar on SquareSpace.